Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. As seen in the previous video, the present perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened in the past, but the effect of it can still be seen in the present. For example, I have changed my signature. This sentence means the speaker changed their signature in the past and they continue to use it in the present. Already, just, yet, or still is used in a sentence that is in present perfect tense to emphasize that the sentence is related to the present moment. Let us look at a few examples to understand this better. Use just in a sentence that is in present perfect tense to talk about an event that was completed a short time ago. For example, Jay has just spent all his money. This sentence means that Jay has completed the activity of spending all his money some time ago. Use yet to talk about something that has not happened but is expected to happen anytime soon. Yet is used in negative sentences. For example, Jay has not spent all his money yet. This means Jay has not spent all his money as of now, but he will soon. Use still to talk about something that was expected to happen earlier but hasn't happened until now. It is used in negative sentences. For example, Jay has still not opened his salary account. This means Jay was supposed to open a salary account earlier and has not done it so far. Use already in a present perfect sentence to talk about before now. For example, Jay has already spent his money. This means Jay has completed the activity of spending all his money. Already means the activity was completed in the past with no specific time reference. For example, Jay has already opened the savings account. This sentence means that Jay has opened a savings account but does not mention when it was opened. This action was completed sometime in the past. Jay has just opened a savings account. The time is assumed to be a few minutes to a few hours ago, but still closer to the present. For a measurable time, use just with the past tense. For example, Jay just opened a savings account 10 minutes ago, or Jay just went to Goa last week. Now you know how to use already, just, still, and yet with the present perfect tense while writing work emails.